You have the video? Monica, you agreed to do this of your own free will?
Okay.
Did you?
Yes, I signed and agreed to do this of my own free will.
And you agreed to clean up any mess?
Yes, I agreed to clean up any mess.
Okay. It's the cinnamon challenge.
Yep. It's 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. See the cinnamon. It's 1 tablespoon. There you go.
Go, you pansy. Swallow it.
Swallow it.